I need to test Fibre Channel controller here, Fujitsu MAN3735FC, and it came from Sun Microsystems. So I have Fibre Channel controller here installed into the server. It's QLogic. Here's the part number. So, and I have an adapter. So this adapter goes to the hard drive. This power comes from the server, and the Fibre Channel cable right here. So it's going to the controller here. Okay, clicked. Now we have to plug into the hard drives. Sorry, it's a little bit shaky here because I use one hand. Okay, it's plugged in. So we need to get to the BIOS. Of that controller, so there's some built-in utilities. So we're gonna start the server. And now we have to look for the BIOS of the motherboard to come up and wait until controller BIOS will show up with some kind of key combination to log into it. So we'll see. So the server came up. It's a Dell, older Dell, but it served the purpose for most of the testing peripherals. So it's booting up. So we just have to look for QLogic. I believe it's Alt Q, if I remember correctly. But so that's the first controller built in. So it just showed up LSI. I also have a RAID ATA controller, 3-wire, but we don't have anything plugged into them. So now we have Alt Q. So that's the FireWire. So drive is detected here, so that's a good sign. Now we get into the BIOS utilities. So we need to go to Fiber Disk utilities. Here's the drive. We hit enter. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's a okay supported. Okay, here's the low-level format, verify disk media. So we'll just do verify disk media. Command error. That's interesting. Something is not working right, so I have to check it was working just. Let's see, maybe. Drive is detected. Select the device support multiple units. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we picked the wrong configuration. Now it's going through verification, and it showing 0%. So once it shows one, we will. Okay, so it's moving. So we'll probably pause it in the next video. We'll see the result and we'll go through maybe format after that, but for now that's where we at. So 2%.